Look at those cool running shoes. Can we check them out? Oh, wow. Look at that sparkling display. It is absolute pure perfection. The most beautiful doll in the entire world. Please, Mommy, please. You have to look at her. Can I please have this beautiful doll? Oh, sweetheart, I am really so sorry, but you need to look at this price tag. This doll is way too expensive. But Mommy, you don't understand. I really need her. My room feels so empty without a beautiful doll like that.
Mona, listen to me carefully. We must always be grateful for the wonderful things we already have waiting for us at home. Let's not be greedy.
It is just not fair at all. Why does this always happen? Coco gets whatever he wants, but they never, ever buy.
Getting cross and angry isn't going to change our family rules, Mona. Now let's change that attitude, wipe those tears, and behave properly.
I simply cannot leave this mall without her. I just can't do it. And there must be some way to take her home with me today.
Hey everybody, look over here at me. I am the Grand King of the clothing store. Bow down to my magnificent and super funny hat.
Perfect. They are all completely busy and distracted right now. Nobody is looking at me.
What exactly are you staring at out there, Mona? Your face looks super guilty. What, are you secretly planning to do something weird or sneaky again?
You need to mind your own business, Coco. Seriously, just leave me alone and go back to playing. I have to move quickly. I need to slip inside, grab the doll, and get out of there before anybody notices. Don't worry, my beautiful little friend. You are coming home with me right now. The shopkeeper is totally busy. He isn't looking this way at all. Okay, Mona, it's now or never. Do it right now. Just get inside the bag quickly. Come on, fit in there. Fast, fast, fast. Okay, I need to rush back to the clothes store as fast as my legs can carry me before Mom and Dad start looking around for me.
Wait a minute. Why are you breathing so hard like you just ran a marathon?
I already told you that I didn't go anywhere at all. Stop questioning me like a detective.
All right, kids, everything is fully paid for and we are officially done shopping. Let's head back to the car and...
Mona, you've been awfully quiet in the back seat since we left the mall. Is everything okay? Or are you still upset?
Yes, everything is totally fine, Dad. I am just really tired from all the walking we did around those huge stores.
Finally back home where it's cozy. Go wash your hands properly, kids. I am going to start cooking.
I just need to take my backpack up and put it away. I am going straight to my bedroom right now to rest for a bit.
Did you see how incredibly fast she ran up those stairs? Something is definitely wrong with her today. She is acting so strange.
Let's just give her a few quiet minutes to calm down. Don't worry, honey. I will go upstairs and talk to her myself very shortly.
Finally, the door is locked and we are completely alone in my room. Let's get you out of this dark bag and see your beautiful face. You are mine forever now. You look even more beautiful sitting right here in my room. And go away, Coco. I am busy cleaning up my messy room right now, so stop bothering me that— Aha! I knew it! I caught you red-handed. Look right there. That is the exact same expensive doll. No, it's not. This is an old toy. Get out of my room right now. Stop lying to me, Mona. Look right here. This is the exact same doll from the mall window, and you know it. Okay, fine, but a nice lady at the mall gave it to me as a free gift. I didn't do anything wrong, Coco.
A free gift? Do you really think I am that foolish, Mona? Toy stores never give away their most expensive items for free.
I don't care what you think. Get out, get out, get out of my room right now and leave me alone.
What in the world is going on with you two up here? I can hear all this shouting from downstairs in the kitchen.
Mom, you need to look at her bed. Mona secretly took that expensive doll from the mall store without paying for it. I already told you, Mom. A nice lady gave it to me. I didn't steal anything, I swear.
Mona, please look at me and tell me the absolute truth right now. Where did this toy actually come from?
No, you all hate me. It's my doll now, and I am never, ever giving her back to anyone.
Stealing is a very serious crime, Mona, but lying to your own mother about it makes it so much worse. That is enough, Mona. We are going downstairs right now to face your father and resolve this matter immediately.
Look right there on camera 4. We have a very clear shot of the little girl in pink taking the doll.
Yes, that is undeniable proof. I am contacting the local authorities right now with their description.
I am so sorry, Daddy. I wanted her so badly. Please don't be mad at me.
Oh no, that must be them already. Stay here with your mother, Mona, while I go check the door.
Good evening, sir. We are here investigating a shoplifting incident that occurred at the mall toy store this afternoon.
We have the security footage right here on our system. The image matches your daughter perfectly, sir.
Yes, officer. Homecoming, please come inside. We were just having a very serious discussion with our daughter about it.
I did it. I took the doll and lied about it. I am so, so sorry. Please don't take me away to jail.
Seeing you steal and lie breaks my heart, Mona. And we raised you to be honest and respectable.
Oh my goodness, it really is true. Mona, how could you bring this kind of trouble to our home? We will always love you, Mona, but you must take full responsibility for your actions and fix this mistake right now.
Okay, Mommy. I will go and return it. Please stay right next to me the entire time. Don't leave me.
All right then, put on your shoes. We are all going back to the mall right now to return the stolen property. Taking things that don't belong to you is against the law, little girl. It hurts the shopkeepers and it hurts your family.
We are right here with you, Mona. Facing your mistakes takes courage, and we are going to do this together as a family.
I am very sorry for stealing your beautiful doll, sir. I know it was wrong, and I promise I will never do it again.
It takes a very brave girl to come back and say, "Sorry, little one. I accept your apology."
Thank you for stopping me, Coco. And I am sorry for pushing you and yelling at you in my room earlier.
Forget about it, Mona. You are my sister, and I am just really glad that you are safe and did the right thing in the end.
I am incredibly proud of how you handled this, Mona. Honesty and integrity are worth far more than any expensive toy in this world.
From now on, I will always tell the truth and be happy with what I have, because a clean conscience is the best feeling ever. Wait, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay?